Good morning, 6 and 7 superstars. Hope you're having a great morning. Today is Friday, May 8th, and today we will be having a Zoom science meeting. It will be at 2 p.m. Benin time. It should be pretty fun. We will have some questions to answer, and then I'm going to do a quick experiment with you. But I look forward to seeing everyone today in attendance at our Zoom meeting. So let's talk about today. Friday, May 8th. It's Friday, it's Friday. You have the weekend to relax. 6-year-olds, you are going to work on your fairy tale solutions and ending to your stories. Oh, I'm so excited to be able to read them all. It will be so much fun. You are going to be continuing to work on your 2D shapes. 7-year-olds, you have a quick video on what an acrostic poem is. Then you're going to make your own. You are going to take your spelling test that has 10 words, and you're going to also turn in your spelling sentences today. You have one page only of grammar. Make sure it says grammar at the top of your reader's notebook. And the last thing, if you haven't been uploading all of your poems for this week, you can upload them all together. The next exciting thing for you guys, 7-year-olds, you will be getting some multiplication flashcards to put together and one worksheet today to work on your multiplication arrays. So I look forward to seeing you all later today on Zoom. Have a great day of learning. Again, bye.